So down here in Sidcup in southeast London, this is just an update video of our project we've been working on in November, December time last year. So what we've done on this project is we've removed all of the pebbled ash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. It used to look like this house next door, so removed all of the pebbled ash, brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, London stock bricks and soft red imperial brick. Then we've tuck pointed all of the brickwork. I'm just going to give you a close-up of how that looks. So tuck pointed all of the brickwork, as you can see, beautiful finish to the brickwork as always. What we've done on this project is removed all of the paint and taken everything back to natural stone. So as you can see, everything's beautifully finished, all back to natural stone. We are just now waiting for a plaque to be made with some engraving in the middle there and a new window sill downstairs on the main bay, just to finish them bits off. So hopefully they should be coming in the next week or so. Upstairs, what we did is we've also removed the pebbled ash off of the main gable. So we removed pebbled ash off the main gable and we re-rendered that in lime, and some nice feature bands going through the middle so it replicates the adjoining houses over there. So that's going to be painted. Got all the old paint off all of the woodwork now. That's all going to be ready to undercoat and repaint. Then we're going to be doing some guttering work here, so replacing the gutter and a couple of pieces of downpipes either side of the building. And as you can see, everything's drying out well now. Looks really nice. Customers are really happy. Just waiting for these last bits of stone now to come, and then this is all going to be finished off. And I've got to say, the lad's done a great job. Project looks absolutely amazing, come out fantastic. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.